raga, ciao a tutti del Comendone Veneziano, siamo alla quarta partita di 4 del college, hanno studente del primo anno campionato nazionale, abbiamo fatto una sconfitta e una vittoria nelle 2 gare non registrate, però stiamo andando bene. Sono negata le porte agli UCLA in finale, bisogna vincere, Fiori. Bisogna assolutamente... Si partecipa al draft dopo la finale, beh certo. Don Pagnotti. Doveva fare un partitone biblicus. Non sono una meteora, stronzo. Tensione altissima per la finale. Vai. Siamo contro il Wisconsin. Ok, inizia il match. Vai, come dimostra di essere il più grande. Ammazza, parte bene Wisconsin. Vai, come il numero 7 che fa emozionare le platee. E subito si parte con un buon assist. Dai raga. Ammazza, oh. Partiti a bomba anche loro. Ragiona, come ragiona. Prova un tiro a 3 impossibile. Sputato dal ferro. Dai fioi. Bravissimi. Non me la passa la merda, ve lo farei punto io, affanculo. Dai, 4 pari, importante vincere, però dobbiamo far bene perché abbiamo i manager NBA che ci stanno osservando. Duck Decker. Oh, c'è il porco di Decker. Ok. Very good, Kume, very good. Sacco di merda. Ah! Non posso fare pochi punti proprio oggi. Cazzo, ho fatto 20 punti nell'ultima partita. Dai ragazzetto, dai ragazzetto. Ecco, Dio. Calma, come calma, sto giocando male oggi, Stiamo giocando male, è proprio la partita più importante. Bravo, bel rimbalzo. Poi siamo ancora a 0 punti a referto. Sì, vede che questa è la finale. Dai. Dio santo. Mattoni su mattoni sto tirando. Defense. Grande stoppata. Oh beh. Boh. Come devi svegliarti però, Devi svegliarti come Endone. Ma arriva un buon assist. Dai, cazzo. Bravissimo Cubo, questa è una gran rubata. Very good. Dai, piano piano. Non riesco a mettere punti, però. Dai, cazzo. Sono marcatissimo. È impossibile questo. Mamma mia. Stiamo giocando male dal tiro, disastrosi. Infatti. Più 7 di vantaggio, ma un come veramente negativo. Ma proprio oggi. Dai, relax e andiamo a spaccargli il culo nel secondo tempo. Eccolo qua, il primo. Niente. È pazzesco. Dai, almeno la mettiamo dentro, bravo. Una media del tiro disastrosa proprio oggi, ma che sfiga. Oh. Decker. Ma dov'è il fallo? Ma dai. So dove hai visto il fallo, però vabbè. Oh, c'ho il bombone. Eccola là. Vabbè. Alleluia. Alleluia. Ha bisogno di fare punti, ho bisogno. Hill. Bravo, bel rimbalzo. Ci cambiamo un po' il gioco perché sennò. 9 secondi. Ma sto giocando male, cazzo. Yes! Dai Kume, dai. Sente la pressione il povero Kume. Ho bisogno del supporto anche vostro. Siamo in vantaggio, questo è quello che conta, però non sto giocando sicuramente la mia migliore partita in carriera, anzi. Vai. Yes. Dai, dai, devo giocare anche un po' da solo perché devo assolutamente farmi notare. Purtroppo non ho tanto tempo. Ma dov'è il fallo? Vai. Meno male che non è mio. Ok, io sto in campo. No, non togliermi. 27 pari, cazzo. Questa non ci voleva. Questa non ci voleva. Non possiamo perdere sta partita. Walker. Manco male. E adesso tocca a noi. 1 minuto e 39, dai ragazzi. Bravo Kume, yes! Fantastic assist. Time out Bargers. Dai raga. Attenti che non possiamo permetterci di subire canestro. Soprattutto non da 3. Occhio. Guarda che merda, bavoso. Calma. Relax. Bravo come. Bravo come cosa ha messo. Pesantissimo questo canestro. Pesantissimo veramente. Guarda cosa ha fatto guarda cosa ha fatto questo stronzo di Hawkins. Bravi, rimbalzo, calma. Possesso fondamentale per Ukla. Ti prego, mettila. Merda. Possesso non sfruttato bene. Discrepanza di 2 secondi dal cronometro della partita e quello dell'azione. No! Che erroraccio che abbiamo fatto. Vai. Ultima palla per il Cume. Ultima palla per il Cume. Supplementare. Overtime. Ok, più 4, benissimo. Più 4 e manca un minuto. Attenti, attenti, stiamo attenti. Merda, cosa ha messo il porco? Stiamo calmi. Sì, dita bella, dita bella. Bravo, come dita bella. ...30 secondi. 30 fottutissimi secondi. Più 4 Ukla. Pensione alle stelle. Non è fallo. Ti prego, sbaglialo. Yes. Secondo. Yes. Vai Cube, il Cube se ne va. Il Cube se ne va. Pesantissimo, che errore che hanno fatto. Grande Cube. Dai che voglio portare il titolo. Aia, bombone. Fallo sul Cume. Dai che è finita. Il 3, voglio provare il missile. E si va a vincere. Come ho chiuso la partita, ragazzi. Bye bye. Grandissimi, ragazzi. Il Cume è commosso. 15 punti, 4 rimbalzi e 4 assist. E si gode. Grande prestazione per il talentissimo. Grande prestazione per l'uomo venuto da lontano. Dai. Vediamo cosa succede.
Hello?
Hey, Ma, it's me.
Hey, Frequency.
I got you on speakerphone.
Okay, your sister there?
Hey, Mama, I'm right here.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Yvette's here too, Mama.
Hi, Mama. How you doing? I'm fine.
Does she have to be here?
Yes. Mr. Pagnotti, the agent I was telling you about, he's in the room too.
How you doing,
Pagnotti.
ma'am?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
What a pleasure to finally meet the Queen Mother of this young, talented man, even if only by telephone.
That's sweet. Hang on, Frequency. Here comes your father.
All right.
Hey, sorry I'm late. Hope everyone's well.
How you doing,
Daddy.
Mr.
Hey,
P?
Bobs.
I'm doing good.
So let's get to it.
Yeah, let's do this. We all know why we're here. This meeting is strictly confidential, 100% off the record. Didn't happen. We weren't even here. Capiche? Capiche means understand in Italian. Capiche?
Capiche.
Freak insisted that I have his entire family here. And I think it's great that he has a good support system around him.
Buono.
I've been doing this a very long time, and I work with some of the best. Now, let me rephrase that. I work with the best, and the best always seem to have a great support system around them.
Don
A family, if you will,
Pagnotti.
you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So let's cut to the chase. Leaving college early now and entering this year's NBA draft is the right move right now. And when you sign with me, Dom Pagnotti, as your agent, I will make sure you are well taken care of. I will make sure you are protected. With this freaking and vibing, I love it, freaking and vibing. This freaking and vibing thing you do when you get hot freak, we're gonna make you more money off the court than you will on.
We already have endorsements and things like that in line, so.
Cece, I said we because we're gonna do this together. We're a team. We're Team Freak. But Freak, you need to be in the league first, right? That's why I'm here.
No, yeah, I hear you, Mr. Pagnotti, but like I told you before, I already promised my parents 4 years of college. That's a plan, man.
That's right.
Plans change, Freak. Listen, in life and in basketball, you need to adapt
Cosa devo
to the
fare?
situation at hand. Now, even if you have the greatest coach and they draw up the greatest play and all the X's and O's make perfect sense on paper, you still need to react to what the defense shows you and then make your move. This is the right move. This is the right move now. And 4 years of college is a great plan for basically anybody. But you're not just anybody. You are the greatest collegiate talent I have ever seen shoot, dribble, pass, and defend a basketball my entire time on this great planet Earth. Now, Miss Martha, Mr. Pete, I have seen so many of the greats jump right from high school to the pros. Freak, you've at least experienced college. You know what that is. You've been there. You've done that. I am offering you now a chance at the experience of a lifetime. Do you know how many people would love to be in those Jordans right now?
Yeah, Freak, I mean, what if you get hurt? You remember how you came down on your ankle in that game earlier this year?
Oh, yeah, but that was nothing.
Right, we know it was nothing, but next time it could be something.
I saw that. Good game. But bam! Just like that, and you could be flipping burgers. Well, maybe not flipping burgers. Maybe you're the manager or assistant manager at some burger joint. Maybe I do a favor and make a call, and you're a delivery boy at Sal's Famous Pizzeria. But the bottom line is, you will be a long, long, long ways away from signing multi-million-dollar contracts with me, Dom Pagnotti, as your agent.
So it's all about the money, right?
When was it not all about the money?
Money isn't everything.
No, it isn't, sir, and no disrespect was meant. But freak, money is freedom. The freedom of choice, the freedom to live. Money
Mi sta
is
sul
the
cazzo,
difference
Don
between
Pagnotti.
renting and owning, between being the waiter and being waited on. It's the difference between being the chauffeur or being chauffeured. Now, do you want to be a chauffeur? This here is a contract. This makes me your agent. Sign on the dotted line, and I will take you and your family to the promised land.
Like I said, Mr. Pagnotti, it's not all about the money.
Pete, let the man finish.
He made his point. He's finished. Aren't you finished?
I said my piece, but I know I'm right. You guys should talk.
Pete, what if Frequency does get hurt? Shouldn't he take this opportunity now?
What if the boy goes pro, gets hurt, and then doesn't have a college degree? Look how hard we work for him to get to where he is.
But college isn't for everybody. Pete, you didn't go.
That's why we work so hard for him.
Just saying. I mean, if he's ready to do this now as opposed to later, Pete, anything can happen.
You're right. Anything could happen. This is his future. This
You're
is
not
his life.
listening to me, Pete.
Not just a game.
All right, Mom, Pops. It's all right. Look, truth be told, I don't even know what I want to do right now.
I understand that.
Yeah, but I was talking to my boy Vic the other day.
Why?
And he was making a lot of sense. He thinks I should leave early too.
You know what? I've kept quiet this whole time, and I also think that Freak should join the league. I think it's a great business decision, and I think that Mr. Pagnotti is absolutely...
Questa è amorosa che vuole i soldi, sta troia.
Now, Freak, I know for a fact that people have been talking about the company you keep, and you need to be careful. It could compromise what we're trying to do here.
What are you trying to say?
You know, your association with that guy Victor off the court, it could compromise your selection in a draft. As a matter of fact, I know it will. Do you realize the difference in dollars between being drafted first overall and 21st?
Oh, Madonna.
You're talking tens of millions of dollars. You don't get it, do you? Cece, our first sneaker deal alone, you're talking a difference of a $50 to $100 million difference just by that. Number one, that's what we need. If I were not 1,000% convinced in my mind and in my heart that we could get you drafted first overall, I wouldn't be like this. This is the play. This is the move, Freak. You gotta listen to me.
I absolutely hear you, but who are they to tell me who I can't hang with my brother?
No, Freak, you need to listen to him. I've been telling you the same exact thing.
Mr. Dom,
Mamma mia.
Frequency and Victor grew up together. They're best friends. We took the boy in and practically adopted him.
Martha, I told you that boy ain't nothing but trouble.
He's family.
Okay, but that's my boy, and he agrees with y'all.
It's not about agreeing with Vic. We're trying to prepare you for your future.
You know, but it is his future.
This is none of your business.
Excuse
You don't
me?
even
Wait,
know
Freak,
what's my business.
you still have a decision to make. Sign with me, yes or no.
Oddio.
Yes, manager.
Can I just interrupt
Your tone.
for 1 second? Everybody just settle down, please. Now, I appreciate you all taking the time in this heated discussion, but the truth of the matter is, there's only one person in the room that can make this
Che
decision.
saggio il Papa
Now,
Pit.
son, you know how I feel.
Right.
Education is the most important thing in life, but this is your choice. It's not your mother's or your sister's or mine. It's not your girlfriend. It's not Mr. Pagnotti's. And it definitely ain't Victor's. This is your decision, son. So you tell us what you want to do.
I need 30 seconds, Freak. Okay. I have 4 beautiful children, and I want each of them to go to college and graduate. But if you walked up to any one of those 4 children right now and said, I will give you a contract that's worth $100, $200, $300 million, I would say, bypass college. You can always go back. I want you to graduate. I want you to get your doctorate. I want to call you Dr. Freak, but you need to understand this. Now, you can go all over this beautiful country that we live in and go into any of the major universities. You will find people that are 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 years old, and you will find them graduating. But if you live to be 500 years old, you will never see ever somebody 40, 50, 60 years old being drafted from college into the NBA. We need to strike while the iron is hot. This is your life. We will get you drafted first overall. You will be up there with all the big names. I'm not talking first rounder. I'm talking first overall. Listen to me. This is what
Mr.
I do. I am the best at what I
You
do.
have had
Nobody
your
is
30
better.
seconds.
Il Pagnotti.
I am sorry. You just need to
Pagnotti,
understand.
would you please let
Cazzo.
my wife speak?
I apologize.
Frequency. Baby, what do you want to do?
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have Cece go through this contract, front to back. I'm going to think about it, sleep on it, pray on it, and I will call you in the morning.
All right. Listen, Mr. Pete, Miss Martha, it was a pleasure meeting the two of you over telephone. And I look
Ma
forward
tu
to
scegli una
meeting
cantata
you
più
both in
figa.
person.
Sta merda mi sono
Remember,
preso.
everybody, this meeting never took place. We weren't even here. Capiche?
Capiche?
Okay.
All right, Mom,
Capisci.
Pops,
Io
I'll call you
pisci.
guys later. I love you.
Love you,
I
son.
love you too, son. Bye.
Ragazzi, che faccio?
We
Adesso
met
spero
working
andando...
at the post office together. Mark was the clerk and I was a carrier. And I asked her out to lunch one time and take her for a bagel around the corner from where we worked.
A bagel?
A bagel, yeah.
With cream cheese?
Cream cheese.
Split down the middle?
Split down the middle. Love at first sight.
Yeah.
I believe that it was true. It happened to me.
Ragazzi, spero di non
Good
poter
evening
decidere...
and welcome to the NBA Draft.
Primo turno.
With the first pick in the NBA Draft, the Minnesota Timberwolves select Karl Anthony Towns from the University of Kentucky.
Ecco. Oh, che
With the
figata.
second pick in the NBA draft, the Los Angeles Lakers select D'Angelo Russell from
Russell.
the Ohio State University.
Anni, playmaker.
With the third pick in the NBA draft, the Philadelphia 76ers select Jalil Okafor.
Jalil Okafor.
Duke University. With the fourth pick in the NBA draft, the New York Knicks select Kristaps Porzingis from Latvia.
Eccolo qua.
With the fifth pick in the NBA draft, the Orlando Magic select Mario Hezonja from Dubrovnik, Croatia.
Bravo.
With the sixth pick in the NBA draft, the Sacramento Kings select Willie Cauley-Stein from the University of Kentucky. With the seventh pick in the NBA draft, the Denver Nuggets
Dal
select
Congo.
Emmanuel Mudiay from Dallas, Texas. With the eighth pick in the NBA draft, the Detroit Pistons select Stanley Johnson.
Non ho capito, però non ho deciso cosa fare, boh.
With the ninth pick in the NBA draft, the Charlotte Hornets select Frank Kaminsky. With the 10th pick in the NBA draft, the Miami Heat select the 19-year-old point guard from UCLA.
Non ci credo. A Miami vado. Vado a Miami. Beh, l'ho fatto 5 di totale. Che forte che sono. Mi promesse. Vabbè. Decimo. Ok ragazzi. Sono a Miami. Sono a Miami. Vabbè, insomma, peccato non essere a Miami con LeBron James, però
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Frequency Vibration. Welcome aboard, young man.
Okay.
Welcome aboard.
Wow. Wow. This is bananas.
Take your time, baby.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, so I first want to thank everyone who made this possible. Mom, Dad, I couldn't have done this without you. I'd like to thank my lady Yvette. My dude, Vig.
Hey, yo, I got you, man. Hey, hold him in the building all day.
Un drogato marcio.
Yeah. Man, he's like my brother. Oh, gosh. And also, want to thank my sister, Cece, who is also my manager. Swish, love you.
I love you more.
And my agent, Mr. Don Pagnotti himself.
You're the man, baby.
Pagnotti. Theo Omen si chiama
I will take
Pagnotti.
some questions now. Yes, ma'am.
How did you get the nickname Freak?
A lot of people don't know this, but Freak is short for my very first nickname, Frequency Vibrations.
Yeah, true story. I like to introduce our mother so she could tell it.
Go ahead.
You know, Mama.
Tell her, Mama.
Go get her, Mom.
Thank you, everyone. Frequency and Cece are fraternal twins. And so when I was pregnant,
Ecco.
one of them kept kicking and jumping around all the time. So my husband, Pete, put headphones on my belly and played reggae music.
Hence the name Frequency Vibrations.
We shortened it to Freak.
How did you know who was kicking?
A mother knows. A mother always knows.
Are you ready for a photo op?
Yes. All right.
E siamo
Ladies
a
and
Miami.
gentlemen, please welcome the next NBA superstar, Frequency Vibration.
Go ahead, son.
Thank you all for coming. We will be available for one-on-ones in the back. Good job. Well done.
Congratulations, son.
E siamo a Miami Beach. Miami Beach. Siamo a Miami. Beh, diciamo che è una buona, insomma, è tutta da ricostruire, speriamo bene. Ok ragazzi, siamo a Miami. Buono raga, un saluto dal Comendone veneziano. Siamo in Florida, speriamo di fare una buona stagione. L'ho capito, il primo anno non fai tante partite, però sono delle idee che possiamo dire la nostra. Raga, un saluto dal Comendone veneziano. Ciao!